With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given? A compound microscope has two lenses. Now the magnifying power of one is given as to be 5 and the combined power is given as to be 100. So one power we know, magnifying power, and another for which we know the magnifying power. So the magnifying power of the other is equals to, we need to find what is the magnifying power of the other lens. Okay. So for example, if this is one of the lens, okay, so this is one of the lens. So there can be an objective or an eye lens. And if this is objective, then this would be our eye lens. Okay. So let's say any of the one, we can just assume to be any of the one. Let's say this is our objective lens. Okay. Magnifying power is, let's say MO. This is our eye lens. Okay. Magnifying power is what? ME. Now what would be the combined this power, magnifying power? So it would be M would be equals to MO into ME. Basically, it is the product of the two powers. Now we know the combined power, which is M. This value is 100. We know MO. We don't know whether it is MO or ME. We don't know, but we know that there is one of the lens. So we can say that it is just equals to M1 into M2. Okay, it could be anyone. So basically, it would be for objective or it may be for our this eye lens. So we can just take the value as one value to be 5, and it would be the other value. We call this other value as M2. So what would be the value of the M2, the other lens? It would be 100 by 5. So this would turn out to be 20. Okay, so 20 would be the answer. So which option is the correct option? B option is the correct option. So the other lens, whether it is eye lens or an objective lens, we can just calculate the value of it. So it comes out to be 20. The correct option is the B option. Hope you understood this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.